Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the forex markets. So in general, yesterday the party has continued. So as we mentioned in our Telegram channel, yesterday even three banks together have made some interventions on the forex market. They're Public Bank of China, Bank of Japan, and Swiss National Bank. So they're together was selling United States dollar on the market, and you can see a rally that we've got as a result. So on the gold market it was not as significant, but on the forex market you could see what has happened. Of course, on the euro currency we have additional factor which is coming today. Central bank meeting, as we said yesterday, it also provides some positive sentiment as markets expect. So interesting rising, and maybe, who knows, maybe Christine Lagarde will tell something more hawkish. That also could support euro currency in the near term. But anyway, these two factors were quite enough, as you can see, to complete our target that we discussed. So 101 area has been hit. And currently, I think that we need to take the pause by the first two reasons. First reason is pure technical. So you could see the market hits the strong resistance areas, completed extension target, daily overbought, and fib level. This together create relatively strong resistance, and suggesting that it should be the pullback to the downside. Besides, we have Gartley steeple to sell pattern. So we have drop, ABCD retracement. That is Gartley steeple 2. That actually helps a lot to estimate the potential downside target. Very similar situation you could see on the Great British Pound. On the daily chart you could see as well. Here we haven't got the completed ABCD, but we also have the butterfly here right around the fib level, and it's also daily overbought. So as on the euro currency, on the Great British Pound, it's really big chance on the pullback here. So second reason is purely psychological. So those who were preparing for European Central Bank rate announcement maybe also take part while the three banks were intervening on a forex market. It's also probably could try and start the booking result today. So as soon as the rate change will be announced. So these two moments tells that probably we could get the pullback. On the 4 time frame chart, here is butterfly and the XOP that we also discussed, and this is actually agrees with OP on the daily chart. From that standpoint, everything was going perfect. Currently, guys, scalp traders could think about taking scalp short position, preferably if you're waiting for some bearish reversal pattern right there on the hourly chart, for example. Let's take a look on the hourly chart. Currently, we do not have it yet, but potentially you could wait for some pattern. Maybe the hand shorts will be formed, maybe some other pattern. And theoretically, you could consider taking the short position, scalp short position. Potential target of this downward action at least should be around 30% support, 98.80. It's because this is 30% level for Gartley steeple to sell on a daily chart. Usually with pattern forms, it shows at least 30% pullback, 30% retracement of the whole upward action of the pattern. Nearest target, well, it's very close to the target probably of this minor butterfly. It also should be approximately 30%. And if you will build the level from these lows to the top, this which is actually the whole body of the butterfly, you also will get the 30% level, maybe somewhere in between this one. So it's very close to 98.80, and it also suggests 30% retracement. Maybe here is also might be some kind of the bread and butter sell pattern to be formed. No, bread and butter buy, sorry. So it will be first retracement, it will be deep enough, it might be some minor pullback, but this is very short-term scale. It's just because this is 4 time frame chart. So if you trade only on the 30-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart, you would think about the bread and butter or something of that sort. But in general, those who trade on the daily, on the hourly chart, mostly should be watching for minor retracement. And if you would like to take the part, just drop your time frame on an hourly chart and watch for a bearish reversal pattern. Once it will be formed, you could hide stop above this area and just take position with the target around 98.80, 99, somewhere in this level. For the bulls, you need to wait and see when the pullback will be over, because currently taking position, as you understand, right around daily overbought is, well, and at the eve of the European Central Bank meeting, this is well, not very good idea. So let's keep watching. Today's probably session supposedly should be also interesting.